In this video, we're taking an honest look at Nielsen, one of the most established names in audience measurement, and while it still plays a major role in how TV and streaming performance is evaluated, it isn't without controversy. Nielsen's strength lies in its long-standing methodology and its hybrid approach that combines panel households with large device-level data, giving advertisers and networks a standardized way to measure viewership across TV, streaming, and other channels. This industry currency status makes its reports valuable for setting ad rates and benchmarking show performance. However, Nielsen has faced criticism for undercounting streaming audiences, occasional inaccuracies, and concerns that its sample-based approach doesn't always reflect the full diversity of modern viewers. Some users also feel that its tools and reporting lack transparency and haven't kept pace with rapidly changing media consumption habits. Overall, Nielsen remains influential and useful for high-level audience insights, but its data should be paired with platform analytics for a more complete picture. Stick around and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.